Guys, and some unfortunate news coming in from the television industry. TV actress Moina Kumari Singh and some of her family members, including her father-in-law and Uttarakhand Tourism Minister Satpal Maharaj and her husband Suyash, have all tested positive for COVID-19. Now, in a recent conversation with her, she revealed that initially it was her mother-in-law who developed symptoms, and while the symptoms didn't reduce after a couple of days, they all got themselves tested for COVID, and to their shock and surprise, they all tested positive. Now, apart from her brother-in-law, the rest of the whole family has tested positive for COVID-19. Now, all of them are in a hospital in Rishikesh recovering, and we wish them all the very best, and we hope to see them back at home very, very soon. Here's the story. In some bad news for the entertainment industry, former TV actor Moina Kumari Singh, who became famous after participating in a dance reality show and was last seen as Kirti in the daily soap Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, has tested positive for coronavirus. Shockingly, it's not just Moina, but other members of her family, including her father-in-law and Uttarakhand Tourism Minister Satpal Maharaj, her husband Suyash Rawat, and Suyash's mother have all tested positive for the infection. They have all been admitted to a hospital in Rishikesh and are undergoing treatment there. Speaking to a news outlet about how they realized they were all COVID positive, Moina shared that it was her mother-in-law who first developed a high fever and her initial tests were found to be negative. However, when her fever persisted, her mother-in-law took a second test as a precaution. The other family members took a test as well. Unfortunately, other family members and staff members also tested positive for coronavirus. Speaking about many members of her family testing positive, Moina said, "Nobody has any very big symptoms. Everybody is fine. If only we had everybody falling sick, then we could have understood. The weather is also changing here in Dehradun. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's rainy, cold. Nobody could understand." In addition, since everyone else's symptoms were mild, no one suspected that so many of them would test positive for COVID-19. The actress added that unfortunately, instead of offering them empathy and support, people have used this opportunity to malign her in-laws, which is very inconsiderate given the amount of social work they have been doing during this crisis to help the people of Uttarakhand. All affected members of the family are currently in isolation, and we wish them all the very best and a very speedy recovery.